So at our shows, we allow people to get much closer to these raptors than they would in the wild. So they're able to see them up close, learn a little bit about each of our birds and about the work that we do here at the center.
The Raptor Center has actually been here with Auburn University for over 50 years. The War Eagle concept associated with our sports team and a College of Veterinary Medicine combined led them to the desire to open up a rehabilitation facility here. The rehabilitation hospital here typically sees 350 to a little over 400 raptor patients a year. Our rehabilitation could be anything from trauma, vehicle collisions, you name it.
So we teach about the rehabilitation work that we're doing as well as the education work that we're doing. So we fly a lot of our birds at shows, and so people get to experience things that they would never get to see in the wild. So it's an awesome way to learn a little bit more about the tradition of flying the eagles.
So the Auburn University Raptor Center does offer a variety of different programs that consist of tours, coming and seeing behind the scenes, that consist of our shows like Wing Fling and Football Fans and Feathers here in our amphitheater, but we also do off-site shows. And then of course we have our larger, more well-known services, which are our Eagle flight services, and that's typically anthem flights or patriotic type flights that we participate in at larger events such as NFL games and festivals and things of that nature. The Auburn-Opelika community in general it's a beautiful community to visit. The university is a wonderful contributor to that experience, and the Auburn University Raptor Center is a part of the university that's very unique. It's something that you can't get most other places, so I highly recommend stopping in for a visit or book yourself a tour.